Kings, welcome back to another one. And today, you guys already seen from the thumbnail. Yeah. For if y'all that didn't look or don't know, got some big upgrades for Stella, my 2013 Dodge Charger. And yeah, you'll see when I get there. So catch y'all when I get there to see the surprise. But if you looked at the thumbnail, you already know. So see when I get there. So this is the surprise. This is the SRT kit for Stella. So let's just start. Let's go over everything. This is I got all the parts from Car Part besides the Phatcat wing that you can just get off of eBay. Yeah, and I got some other stuff. I got grills, diffuser, but this is the SRT front bumper. This is the SRT rear bumper, SRT side skirts.
Enough, bitch, for the price I got it done for. He could have went to New York and had it done. He'd still be paying on it.
Not bitching.
He'd be paying his father off for the next 6 months.
Probably. And got the wicker bill. It's not up here right now. No, the camera.
Oh.
I got the wicker bill. It's not up here right now. I got both grills, the fog lights, diffuser, the new side markers because mine blew out on the driver's side when I blew up the tire. But we might have to do some fabricating.
No. I don't know how to fabricate.
Because my cars, I had to get the fully loaded one with the adaptive cruise control. And I was reading in the forums and in the group chat I'm in that we might have to move the sensor over like a quarter of an inch or a half an inch. They said, yeah. So yeah, I'll pick up the camera again when we start taking that apart. So I'm taking the old front bumper off.
You gotta remember, these are aftermarket too, these bottom grill pieces, even though they're all EM.
Yeah.
They could be a little bit different from the mold.
Well, here's the, so you pull those things off that goes right here. Yeah. And then you got 4 of these you pop off. And then you got under here, you got one right here for the fender liner. And right behind the AC, that's a little 10 mil bolt. And same thing on the other side over here. Same thing, little 10 mil. But and then the bumper should pop right off unless you have a splash guard. I don't have a splash guard on this because it fell off, so I don't deal with that. But there's pins, the little push clips for the splash guard underneath the car. So if you do have it, see, I don't have mine, but if you do have it, then you gotta undo that. But after that, it should just pop right off, and you unplug your fog lights, and that's it. So I'm gonna cut to when I have the upper off. So we popped the lower grill in, upper grill, and we took, so the impact bar from your RT bumper will fit in, and you're gonna need this too. This comes off the RT bar, the RT bumper, sorry, too. It's these little clips right here. You just pop them out and this pops right out. Pop it in a new one, pop the grills in, and this just goes right in, and you bolt it in. So yeah, just gotta put the fog light bezels in, and we'll put it on the car. So the SRT bumper is all together. The fog light bezels in, everything. So gotta put the side skirts on now, the SRT side skirts. You need these special rocker panel clips. I'll show you. Oh, they're right here. They're rocker panel clips. So these are the fog lights, SRT ones. They just pop right in. I got bulbs. Since I ran aftermarket LED one, well, as you can see, the rocker panel was off. Those are the old ones. They just pop right off with those clips. So, but yeah, as you see, I ran my LED ones aftermarket, and I had to cut the harness off and did all that shit. Ran the stuff for the blinkers, but now I need the factory harness, or H11 pigtail. So my grandfather went to AutoZone. Hopefully we can find one of those. But yeah, side skirts. This is the side that fucked up, where I blew the tire.
so kind of cracked the fender liner and all that. I don't know if you see that, but yeah, so I don't know where I'm gonna put this bottom clip because there's no more hole. So I don't know if I'm gonna zip tie it. I don't know yet, so we're gonna see what we can rig together. So yeah, I gotta get these refinished. Hideous. But yeah, so I'll catch you guys when the next step, I guess. So we got the front bumper on, fog lights all wired up, caps line up pretty good, nothing crazy. You gotta get it buffed. You see the orange peel. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but yeah, we got the side skirts in. The only note I can really give you on the side skirts is pop the top in first, and then pop the bottoms in, but that's really it. So we're gonna start in the back now. We gotta wire up the license plate cover shade so when I go to the shows and all that, no one gets my plate and then comes and tries to steal my shit. But yeah, so gotta run the wire in and yeah, do the rear bumper. So the rear bumper is a little more complicated. You gotta take taillights out, and then it's bolts, tabs, 2 screws on the bottom, and should pop right off. So I'll let you guys know when I get the rear bumper off. So we got the rear bumper off. Like I said, there's 2 bolts here, 2 bolts there, you know, 1 on each side, 2 bolts, 3 bolts holding the tail light. Gotta take out, got clips on the side, and yeah, running the wire right now for the shade. I'm about to take this down for the wing. Just a new bumper. The impact bar comes, you can use the old one from the RT and just go right in. You do the 5 pins on the bottom. I have the diffuser on right now, the new one for the quad tips. I actually do have to extend those though, they're too short for this. So yeah, I gotta go to the muffler shop. But yeah, so replace this from the little incident with the blowout. So got all that from Mopar. And yeah, so all I gotta do is drill the hole in the bumper now for the plate cover and run the wires for that. Then we gotta do the silicone and all that with the wing, so then it will be complete. But yeah, so pick up the camera when we're, well, when the bumper's on, probably. So the rear bumper's on. I do gotta go to the muffler shop though and have them adjust my tips. They need to go over and come out like ½ an inch, but yeah. Lines are pretty good. Lines up, screws are in. Took a little bit of persuasion, but plate cover's installed, everything works. Diffuser on. Side markers are in. Putting the back seat together and the interior back together. Now gotta do the wing next because we kind of look like a cop car right now. So this is the Phatcat wing on with the wicker bill all installed. Got the wicker bill on Amazon, but it totally changed the look of this car, man. It's like a whole nother different fucking, it's a whole different car. But yeah, so I'll probably film a video, like a cinematic or something like that, of the whole thing. But yeah, that's basically it. I just got some panels in the trunk. I gotta put this all back up, and I just gotta finish up the interior for the plate. But yeah, that's really it.
Right there on the barbecue.
That's really it. Give you guys one more look at the front. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed.
And if you have any questions about the kit, where I got any parts from, if you need any help on installing anything or anything like that, you know, like how to do it and all that, you can leave your questions down in the comments. I'll get to them. Or you can probably hit me up on Instagram. You know, my link's always down in the bio, so you can always hit me up there. That's probably the best way to get in contact with me. But I don't mind answering any of your questions. So catch you on the next one, and I'm out.
Spinning like gaga, walk on the roof, smell like Zaza. Why they some imposters? I get money, that's on my roster. Shmuddy, like gra gra, boy, you can get pop pop.